Welcome. If you want to find your Facebook search history on your PC following the new update, I'm here to guide you step by step. It's a quick and straightforward process that helps you view and manage all your past searches easily. First, open your favorite web browser and go to the Facebook website. Log in to your account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're on your home page, look to the top right corner of the screen where your profile photo is located. Click on your profile photo to open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy, then click Settings. This is where Facebook organizes all your account management options. Next, find and click on Activity Log. The Activity Log is a comprehensive place that shows everything you've done on Facebook, including posts, comments, likes, and your search history. Once you're inside the Activity Log, look to the left-hand side menu and scroll down until you see your search history. Click on it, and you'll instantly see a list of all the searches you've made on Facebook. This feature makes it easy to review your past activities and keep track of what you've searched for over time. From here, you can browse through your search history, and if you want, remove individual searches or clear the entire history to keep your account tidy and private. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can quickly access your Facebook search history on your PC with the latest update. Now you're in control of your search data and can manage it anytime you want. Thanks for watching.